secret that Dermstore has easily become one of my favorite brands, you guys. I gotta tell you that I love their subscription box, which is what I have here today, but I also love their limited edition kits, and it's gotten to the point that I'm literally only shopping at Dermstore. Like, forget Sephora. I'm only going to Dermstore lately to stock up. So this brand, I love it. They have great sales, they have great prices, but they also have really fun subscription boxes as well. So today we're going to be going through the first box of the year. This is my BeautyFix for January 2025. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. Like I said, we are checking out my BeautyFix this month for January. This subscription box is curated by Dermstore. Now Dermstore is an online retailer that sells all sorts of beauty products. They originally started out at selling only skincare, hence the name Derm, but they've transitioned over the last 2 years, I would say, and now they offer anything in the beauty space. So they have hair care, they have skincare, there's makeup, anything you can imagine. And then they create a monthly subscription box and they will surprise you with products that they do sell or feature on their website. So it's a great way to try out new brands and new products as well. One thing that I have found is they're really good at sending us some bougie names. So names and brands that you won't find in other subscription boxes will actually be in this one. So it's kind of nice that you get other brands and products in here than what you'll find in other boxes. So this is what it looks like for January. Well, hello. I mean, this is a nice batch of goods. There are some good brand names in here. Now, I do want to point out that if you guys like what you see here today, you can get this exact box. This box is available while supplies last in January. So you just have to order in the month of January in order to get this box. Oh, and don't forget, I have a coupon code. So that's down below. Man, I'm just skipping over all of the details because I'm just excited. I'm like, I want to check out this box. I like what I see. But if you do want this box, I have a link down below. I also have a discount code. And don't let me forget about the shipping. So if you would like to try this out, you can get free shipping if you prepay ahead for multiple boxes. And you can use my discount code on top of that as well. So I always recommend do a 3-month plan or longer because then you'll get free shipping. Versus if you do a 1-month plan, they're going to charge you an $8 shipping fee. And I mean, why do that? Like, it's worth it to upgrade and get free shipping and just prepay ahead for 3 boxes. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the products because this is what I wanna check out today. So this is from Babor, is our very first item. This is a serum concentrate and we have their Perfect Glow set. Now, Babor makes this product in a few different variations depending on what you're looking for. So they have one that's designed for collagen, and then they have another one that's like hydration and it will boost your skin. This one is specifically designed to brighten your skin up when using this product. Now, this is 100% vegan and it is considered a clean skincare product. These will come in little glass vials and you're gonna receive 7 of them inside of this kit. And then what you'll be able to do is use each of these serums to give yourself a brightening glow. It's also going to reduce the look of wrinkles. It will tighten your pores and help to even out your skin's tone and texture. So basically it'll be smoother and brighter, softer after using this product. But really great brand names, so I love seeing this inside of our box. And also here in January, what a great time to have a brightening product as well, because, you know, we don't get as much sunlight. It's a little bit more dull and tired looking. So you do kind of want to step up that brightening treatment. So I kind of like that we have it in our January box as well. Now I'm looking up the price tag on this real quick because there's a chance, there's a possibility that this just paid for my entire box. So I'm going to Google this real quick. Yeah, I think it did, you guys. I'm pretty sure. This says that if you wanted to purchase this in the same size, 7 serums, it retails for $45. So you can go online and buy this for 45 bucks, or you can get the entire subscription box for half of that price. And this is why I love it. I mean, every time I tell you guys, this is an amazing box. But the fun does not stop there, because our next product is also a full-size product, and I'm pretty sure this will pay for your entire box as well. So this is from Elta MD, and it is their tinted sunscreen. So you'll notice it does have a little bit of a color to it, a little bit of that bronzing effect. It is SPF 40, and it's designed for dry or combination skin. So it will help to hydrate and protect your skin, but then it's got that bronzing glow. That way it will look like you have makeup on when you actually don't, and you just have a skincare product. So again, I think it's interesting that they're sending us this in January, because we may not have some glow on us. We may need a little bit more of a bronzing look, and you always need sunscreen, so this is a good time to use it. Now, the expiration date on here is September of 2026. So more than enough time to get this used up before it expires too. So it's definitely a fresh product. Now, again, I'm going to look this up and see what this would cost if we were going to purchase it, but I have a feeling it would have paid for our entire box again. $42 is what it would cost to purchase this. So, I mean, again, you guys, 2 products have already doubly paid for this box. Okay, moving on. Our next item that we have in here is from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Lash MD, and it is a lash enhancing serum. So this serum is clear, and you'll just apply this on, and it will give you stronger lashes after applying this. It's also going to make them a little bit longer as well, so they'll be healthy and long at the same time. This one is travel size, but it's still enough formula to last for an entire month. So I feel like there's enough here. Even though it's a travel sized amount, it's enough product for you to actually try it out and see if you like it or not. The next item that we have in here is from Elizabeth Arden. This is the Prevage Eye Serum. So this one is a sample size at 5 ml. This is what it will look like here. Now, Dermstore will send you a variety of full size and travel sized items. Typically, you're always going to make your money back with the full-size products. So I always view these items as like free bonuses. You know, girl math, it's just like, hey, they threw in some free product for me. But this one is an anti-aging serum for the eye area. It says it's an iconic eye serum with supercharged antioxidants inside of it, and it will help to take down visible signs of aging like crow's feet or lines in this region here. So this will target all of that and to smooth it out and to restore hydration at the same time. We additionally have a mask in here from MZ Skin. This is a vitamin infused meso face mask. What does meso mean? I don't really know what that means. But I do know this brand is expensive. Their masks are not cheap. This is a hydrating hydrogel face mask. So it will give you moisture, and you'll leave it on for 15 minutes. And it says you could also put this in the refrigerator if you wanted to have a cooling effect. You could do that as well. There's aloe and glycerin in here. So I'm not really sure what meso means, but I do like that it is just a hydrating face mask for us. Also included in our box, we do have a product from Lancer. This is their Method Polish, and it's designed to be an exfoliant, so it will break down any texture that you have. We have 1/2 ounce of product, so this is considered a travel-sized amount. The nice thing is you can use this product all over your face and your neck region, so it is safe for that, and it will break down any texture or bumps, dry skin that you might have. So it's kind of working out well. Like, I'm already picturing using this all together here in January, because you've got that exfoliant in there. We've got our eye cream. We've got the facial mask for hydration. Throw on our sunscreen. Oh, we've got the serum. You see what I mean? Like, you could do all of this as an entire beauty routine with all of these products. We just need a cleanser, which I have one final product inside of our box. I don't know if this is a cleanser though. But that would have been the nice thing, is if it would have rounded it all out, we could have totally done that. But anyways, this is from Vichy, and it is their Fortifying and Plumping Daily Booster. What does that mean? Do you add this to another product, or do you use it by itself? Booster is kind of what's throwing me. But the idea is that it would firm and plump up your skin. Now this one is 5 ml, and you can see it's not even all the way filled. It's only half full. So tiny. I tell you what, these sizes anymore, they're so little, but it's supposed to plump your skin after using it. Great brand name, I mean, I will give them that. It is an expensive brand name. And like I said, you don't ever find this brand in any of the other subscription boxes. So that is everything inside of the BeautyFix box for January. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys think? But honestly, I mean, how can you say no to a deal like this? 2 products, pay for it? And like I said, if you guys sign up ahead of time for more than $1, I do a 3-month plan and it costs me $60 up front. So essentially I'm paying $20 for this box. And these products are $40-some a piece. Like, the products in here paid for my entire 3-month subscription. But if you want this exact box here, you guys just have to order in the month of January is the only thing. But what's nice is they ship out really quickly too. So if you guys are interested, I will be posting the link down below. I've also got the coupon code to save yourself some money as well. And then don't forget, you guys, even if you've used the code previously, you can go back in when your subscription runs out, you can renew it and use the code again to save a little bit of money also. So it's kind of nice that they're that generous. But yeah, keep using that code. It works on anything on their website. So if you want to stock up on products, you can save some money with that code, or you can continue to renew your subscription and save money too. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, beautifuls.